I want to celebrate it with God, you know, when I'm really, really down, when I'm alone at home, when my family is far away, when my husband is at his work. What I do have is God. When nobody checking me. Well, there are some times that um, there are some people just checking me, friends just checking me, but I don't know why I'm speaking English. I can speak Tagalog na. Too much grammar wrong na. Siyempre, Canada eh. Pero pag walang nagcha-check sa akin, lahat ay busy, lahat ay tulog. Ang kasama ko lang is God. And this morning, I'm talking to my sister. I told her that I don't want to plan anymore because hindi ko kita lahat. You know, ang kita ko lang yung daan na ganyan, na hanggang sa dulo, pero hindi ko kita yung kasunod nito. So, God always surprise me sa moment na ibinibigay ko na sa kanya lahat. You know, tiwala lang. Ay, thanks God. So, it's just like biometric, but it means a lot to pass everything. The medical and everything, especially that I'm a single mother before, and then Maria. I just want to thank God for everything. Kasi kahit ngayon sa kasiyahan ko, nasa trabaho ang aking asawa, natutulog ang aking pamilya, ako lang yung mag-isa dito. Pero, kasama ko si God. Na-late yata yung kanya papasko sa akin. Love you.